Hey everyone, this award recognizes Mark Yeager for improving the family's land in Tuckaseegee through active stewardship, converting a white pine plantation into a stand of mixed hardwoods by planting oaks, will transform a monoculture into a more desirable and diverse wildlife habitat. His devotion and planning are exemplary in what is needed to restore and sustain healthy, vibrant forests. Thank you, Mark.
Just like Doug said in his video, these are the heroes. Another round of applause. I thank you, everybody in this room thanks you, and my knees thank you most of all. I don't get up and down the mountain like I used to. But I'm looking forward to making sure those invaders don't get oak. And I just can't thank Andy enough. And Andrew Danner, he's my guy. I was about to give up. I was about to get a chainsaw and just drop them all. And Andy said, no, Mark, he's working on it. You see how he's pulling all the threads and making it happen, which is awesome. My dad was an aerospace engineer, and he helped beat the Russians to the moon. And what he did, one of all incredible things, he was a naturalist. He would take us up there. When we had hemlock, beautiful hemlock forest, my brothers and I and him built a cabin in the middle of that beautiful forest. And now it's gone. That's why you're important. So, Andy, you got that oak in there. I won't see it, but years from now, when the deer run around there, and all the other little animals run around there, they're going to go, man, I'm sure about that big guy planted. We talk about him constantly. But he's gone now. So he doesn't live as long as a tree. But anyway, I can't thank you enough. Again, this just reflects on everybody in this room. It doesn't matter how much property you have. As everybody in this room knows, Western Carolina was clear cut, turn of the last century, essentially. You go to Biltmore, you can see the graphic proof on the wall for that wonderful German came over and said, hey, there's a better way to do this. So anyway, thank you, EcoForesters. I'm always going to be in the corner. Looking forward to, I don't know, before I check out this world, maybe 15, 20 feet of